In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund for a service you've purchased on Hostinger. Whether you've had a change of plans or the service isn't quite what you expected, knowing how to navigate the refund process can be a real lifesaver. Let's walk through these steps so you'll feel confident in getting your refund quickly and efficiently. First, start by logging into your Hostinger account. This is where all your account details and transactions are neatly stored. Once you're logged in, head straight to the section labeled Billing, or sometimes referred to as Paid Invoices. This area holds all of your past transactions and is the key to accessing your invoice details. What you need to do next is locate the specific invoice related to the service you wish to refund. Remember, the refund eligibility is strictly for invoices within the last 30 days, so it's important to check the date. Now here's the good part. If your invoice is eligible, you will notice a refund button right next to it. This is your gateway to starting the refund process. With your refund eligible invoice selected, the next move is to submit the refund request itself. Go ahead and click that refund button you found on the invoice page. At this point, the system will prompt you with a checkbox. This step is crucial. It's asking for your confirmation that when you proceed, all data tied to that particular service will be permanently deleted. So think about this step carefully. If you've backed everything up or no longer need the data, tick that checkbox and hit Next. You'll now face the option of selecting your refund method. This will usually include choices such as going back through your original payment method. Think of it as selecting the return path for your funds. Take a moment to consider your preferred method of payment, as this could affect the speed and ease of the refund process. Once you've settled on a method, it's time to take a moment to review all the request details. Double-check that everything is correct, as this will be your last chance to make changes before the request is finalized. Finally, with everything in order, scroll down and click Submit Request at the bottom. Following these steps carefully will ensure that your refund process goes off without a hitch. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to requesting a refund on Hostinger. Having these steps at your fingertips can really make a difference in managing your online services effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget, for any further questions or issues, Hostinger's support team is always there to assist.